It is my great pleasure to welcome you to another interesting tutorial about Alipay. And in today's video, we are going to see how you can simply appeal for Alipay account restriction. What are the things you need to do in order to lift restriction on a transaction of your Alipay account? Sometimes accounts can be restricted for some reason, and sometimes accounts might be restricted without any reason. You just find out that you cannot make payments with your Alipay account, or you just find out that your payment password is not working again, or you want to pay for shopping online with your Alipay, you find out that you are not successful payment. Those are the signs that tells you that the account has been restricted, and how you can fix it. I'm going to explain everything to you right here in this video. Let me show you how. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure link on 1688, however, pin with your ID fish, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, or you want me to fund your Alipay account or WeChat wallet, or you want me to teach you more about China importation or any Alipay related issue, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial, tips and tricks about Alipay topic like this. So with that being said, let me show you how. So I'm going to put a screenshot of how account restriction on Alipay is going to look like. I'm going to put the screenshot on the screen of this video so everyone can see. So when you have Alipay account restriction, you are going to see something like this. An Alipay account restriction. Some account functions have been restricted to ensure account security and comply with regulation. This may occur in the case of account risk. Few details about restriction below and take action to resolve them. Now, transaction terminated. Description: your account has been terminated. A suspicious transaction. Account risk. So they will tell you the actual date at which they suspend the account. Like I explained at the beginning of this video, it might be a suspension or restriction based on some certain transaction. So sometimes Alipay system misbehave and restrict your account from being transaction. Now, if you have something like this, very first thing you need to do is to make sure you click on appeal. When you click on appeal, the next message you will see will determine the nature of the restricted and the reason why your account is being restricted. This particular example of this particular person's right here, account was restricted based on card that is linked to the Alipay. Now, sometimes when you try to link card to your Alipay and you are trying to use different types of card, unknowingly to you that Alipay are monitoring each time you are entering card, whether it is your card or someone else's card. So in this category, this type of restricted right here, you will be asked to submit the card information. So that is for card binding in Alipay. But if your restriction has to do with fraudulent transaction, you will be asked to provide your means of identity. So what you need to do is to click on appeal, upload your international passport that you use to verify the account. But if you are not the one that own the passport that you use to verify the account, it is advisable for you to look for the person that helped you to verify the Alipay account, get their passport, and tell them to do the selfie for you. And submit your document and your selfie document to Alipay customer support, and they will get back to you within 24 hours, and account restriction is going to be lifted. It's that simple. If you find it difficult to do, you can consider to contact me on WhatsApp. And also, if you have any further questions as far as Alipay related concern, consider to put your question in the comment section down below. And I hope to see you in my next video about Alipay topic.